This video is devoted to PhD, fully funded PhD opportunities for international students in Estonia at the University of Tartu. Hello everyone, my name is Muhayyo. If you are new here, in this channel we talk about how to move abroad, how to live abroad, how to get fully funded opportunities in a foreign country. Talking about the PhD opportunities in Estonia. University of Tartu yearly, it's very important because this announcement is every year. So if you couldn't make it this year, please consider it next year. You can apply for scholarship as a PhD student, and very important and very nice thing is here that at the same time you will be a PhD student and a junior research fellow at University of Tartu. So you will get contract and you will be paid as a junior researcher. For 2024, the salary, minimum salary that you can get, of course, more. It depends on your qualification and which faculties and specialization you're applying for. It was 1,830 euros, taking into account the cost of living in Estonia, which is not super high. You can manage with this, and of course you can find additional job. So what kind of programs and faculties are there that you can apply for? It includes a lot of faculties, and there are specific place for each faculty, starting from 3 places for this specific program, ending to 25-30 places. So you will find humanities, art, social science, medicine. It's very important, right? Science and technology, and inside these faculties, of course, there are specific programs you can check. I will share with you with some of the important links that you can go through and apply for these programs. Talking about the deadlines, the application, as I have mentioned, is yearly, so it starts approximately in the end of March, starting of April, and you have time until 15th of May to complete and send your application. How can you apply? There is a specific platform, it's called Dream Apply, and it's the same platform that you use if you were applying for Hungarian government scholarship. I have some videos, by the way, on that. You can watch it. So yes, if you are not succeeded and if you couldn't be accepted for Hungarian scholarship, this is a really good opportunity for you to apply. Of course, if not this year, do it next year. Do it until you get it. And talking about the most important documents that you have to submit alongside with your bachelor degree, master degree, and some additional documents as medicine, medical certificate, you have also to submit your proof of English proficiency. It can be IELTS, TOEFL. If it is IELTS, then it should be minimum 6.0. It's not very high level, so still, if your English is not super cool and super good, you still can apply, and this is really good news. And the second is research proposal. I will have some videos on how to write a very catching and successful research proposal, so stay tuned. You have to write research proposal within this program, and there are for each faculty on each program there are specific topics that you can choose from and write, so you don't have to spend time on looking for a topic and trying to think which is urgent, which is a relevant topic to do. So you can choose it and write it, but if you want to write on your own topic, again, it's totally fine. You can choose to write, you can choose to do it, and again, but you have, in this case, you have to find your own PhD supervisor, and you have to contact him or her who can accept this topic and who can say that, okay, I'm ready to work with this person with this specific topic. What else you have to do here? Yes, if you're choosing your own topic, it's not only case that you have to contact the supervisor. It's also in the case when you choose from the specific topics that is on their website, you have to contact the supervisor, you have to send the research proposal, even if it is preliminary. He or she should approve it, and then you can finish your application in the Dream Apply platform. Thank you for watching. Here you can find other opportunities in Europe where you can apply as a PhD student. See you in my next videos.